Amid public protests, the Third Summit for Democracy, an initiative launched by the United States, was held in South Korea from March 18th to 20th. The event has been criticized for promoting false democracy and pushing international relations toward camp confrontation. The United States has been touting itself as a beacon of democracy. However, scholars in various countries have said that in the U.S., democracy is not about the welfare of the people, but a political tool.
U.S. has been the largest economy for a number of years, but we still talk of something called homelessness. We talk of people who are poor. And even on the social aspect, look at the way the blacks are discriminated in the United States. But here are the people who call themselves the champions of democracy. You have to address the basic needs of those people. And you have to ensure that the economy benefits almost everybody.
Analysts said that the United States is in no position to define the nature of democracy, as there is no one-size-fits-all democracy in the world.
The present model of electoral democracy is widely touted as the West's creation and has ever since been made the one-size-fits-all benchmark for democratic rule worldwide. Unfortunately, this turns out to be a fallacy. The coercive transplant of electoral democracy, either through military intervention or brutal regime change, as was initiated by Washington in the developing world, has only added more failed states and ensuing humanitarian disasters to the lists. People's well-being and aspirations are nowhere to be seen.
الديمقراطية ليست كلمة وليست سلاح يتم استخدامه في علاقات الدول بعضها مع البعض الآخر. والديمقراطية إذا تمت بهذا الأسلوب وبهذه المشروطية فهذا يتعارض مع حقوق الإنسان.